Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies and traditional finance, specifically focusing on Ally Bank. Now, Ally has become a popular choice for many due to its high-yield savings accounts and user-friendly online platform. But with the ever-growing hype around crypto, a common question pops up: is Ally a crypto bank? Traditional versus crypto banks, setting the stage. Before we answer that, let's take a quick step back and understand the difference between traditional banks like Ally and crypto banks. Traditional banks, like the ones you've probably used your whole life, deal with regular, government-issued currencies like US dollars or Nigerian naira. They offer services like savings accounts, checking accounts, loans, and mortgages. Your money is typically FDIC insured, meaning the government protects you in case the bank goes bust. Crypto banks, on the other hand, are a relatively new concept. They focus on dealing with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They might offer services like buying, selling, and holding crypto, similar to how a traditional bank handles your dollars. However, since crypto is a relatively new and unregulated space, FDIC insurance usually doesn't apply. So, is Ally a crypto bank? Alright, back to the main question. Here's the short answer: no, Ally is not a crypto bank. Currently, Ally doesn't offer any services related to buying, selling, or holding cryptocurrencies. They stick to the traditional banking model, focusing on things like savings accounts, CDs, and money transfers. Why doesn't Ally offer crypto? There are a couple of reasons why Ally might not be jumping on the crypto bandwagon just yet. First, the crypto market is still quite volatile. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly, which can be risky for both the bank and its customers. Ally might be hesitant to enter such an uncertain space. Second, regulations surrounding crypto are still evolving. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate this new asset class. Until the regulatory landscape becomes clearer, Ally might prefer to stay on the safe side and stick with traditional financial products. Are there alternatives for crypto banking in Nigeria? If you're interested in getting involved in the crypto world but Ally isn't your option, don't worry. There are a growing number of crypto exchanges and platforms operating in Nigeria. Here's a word of caution though: do your research before choosing a platform. Look for reputable companies with strong security measures and clear user policies. Remember, the crypto space can be a bit wild, so choosing a safe and reliable platform is crucial. The future of crypto and Ally Bank. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean Ally will never offer crypto services. The crypto market is constantly evolving, and regulations might become more established in the future. If that happens, Ally might decide to enter the crypto space to cater to a growing customer demand. Conclusion. So, to wrap it up, Ally is not currently a crypto bank, and they don't offer any crypto-related services. This might be due to the volatility of the market and the evolving regulatory landscape. However, with the ever-changing crypto world, who knows what the future holds? In the meantime, if you're looking to get into crypto in Nigeria, there are alternative platforms available, but be sure to do your research before diving in. Call to action. Have you ever considered using crypto? What are your thoughts on Ally potentially offering crypto services in the future? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on navigating the exciting, but sometimes confusing, world of finance. Thanks for watching, and until next time.